Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do a second video, and then this person contacted me. I just did this blend the other day for them, and then I started thinking it's all white background, and you don't want that. So in this case, you want to ungroup this entire badge, go to Group and Ungroup, and then select it again, and go up to Arrange and combine it. Evidently, I didn't ungroup it. Ungroup. It's selected. Go up to Arrange and Combine and watch the white background go away. That'll engrave really well. And depending on the size of this, because this is, I think originally was really small. I mean, really small. It won't really matter. But this inside of the badge, one is not centered. You can see this is bigger over here than it is here. And this is garbage. But if it's real small, it's really not going to matter. Everything else is pretty sharp. So this afternoon, I might take the time to show how you could replace this Texas state seal. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.